Hey guys, it's Practical Psychology here. Here are 10 psychological ways to get a girl to like you. Hey guys, number 1, have your own life. This is the foundation. If your life is boring, it's like selling an empty book. Make your life exciting and full of awesome things. Then when you say, I really like having you around, she'll want to stick with you naturally. Tip number 2, have an interesting hobby or passion. One true passion makes you way more attractive. When you're genuinely passionate, girls notice that sexy energy. Number 3, great hygiene. Smell good. Shower, deodorant, clean clothes, 1 or 2 sprays of cologne. Girls fall for guys who smell decent. Tip number 4, ask her to do small things for you. This is the Benjamin Franklin effect. Number 5, make her laugh. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. The more you make her laugh, the higher you go in her mind. Tip number 6, be her friend. Leave notes, good morning texts, listen to her problems. Number 7, break the touch barrier gently, play games, handshake. Tip number 8, tell her personal secrets. When you trust her first, she trusts you back.
I had the best time at the park yesterday. You said the flowers were beautiful.
You remembered! That makes me so happy.
I had the best time at the park yesterday. You said the flowers were beautiful.
You remembered! That makes me so happy.
Final tip, build your confidence. Work out regularly. Confident you is the most attractive version. Use these ethically and watch the magic happen. Like and subscribe for more. Welcome to Self-Improvement Tips. Learn new skills, build habits, track progress. Subscribe now for daily tips to improve your life. Join us and start today.